Hello everyone, Matthew Sims here from SimmonsEssentials, bringing you another original design here. This is the Iliad knot from Homer. Alright, another piece of literature here. So here we go, we're going to put this at the belt line here as usual. We're going to come over here, we're going to put a dimple or a crease, whatever you want to do. We're going to put that over here, we're going to come around here like so. We're going to come down, and then I'm going to come through here immediately. Kind of tighten that up and then come back around here like this. And then come through here again. And then I'm going to come around, leave it like so. Then I'm going to push this through here like this. There we have that, and then I'm going to come back over here, underneath it, and then I'm going to come back under here, underneath it. I'm going to put this collar down. I'm going to pull this up. Now, I need to do something with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up underneath here, and I'm going to end it like this. And there you have the Iliad. Now I want to kind of open this up a bit. Kind of show the different layers. So again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials for all the pictures of the tie knots, and then also stylish leadership as well for motivational content. So, all you know, my friends, you're beautifully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.